Hey everybody, Sean Lavery here, food and consumables coach from store 1309 in Salem, Virginia, coming at you with another product review video. And today we're going to be talking about this Better Homes and Garden raised garden bed. This thing looks great. It is made out of a durable cedar. It has a 3-tiered terrace design, so it's great for both shallow and deep-rooted systems, whatever you're looking to plant. And it's great for patios, balconies, backyard gardening, or front yard gardening, wherever you want to put this thing. It's gonna look nice and it's gonna be durable, so I can't wait to get started. All right, let's get this thing opened up. While I'm doing that, I want to let you know where you can get this. You can find it like I did on Walmart.com for $88. Also check with your local stores. They may have it in their garden center. Like always, I like to get all of my pieces separated before I begin and stay organized. So let's go ahead and do that. I've got all of my pieces out of the box and assembled. One thing I want to point out here, this is a really great assembly. I mentioned before, only 8 screws. The rest of this assembles with just kind of a tab and groove system. So you can just slide it right into the grooves. And that is going to make this super easy to put together. This is already shaping up to be a pretty good size garden bed. So the dimensions are 48 by 48 by 22. So it's going to be a 4 by 4 foot garden bed. That's going to be plenty of space for whatever you are trying to grow. Okay, so now that we've got this finished, there's a few notes that I want to make about the assembly. Number one, it was super easy to put together. It took me maybe 10-15 minutes tops. Number two, the instructions do suggest that you use a rubber mallet and a drill in putting this together. I didn't have to use a rubber mallet. I was able to get all of the grooved pieces into place with my hands. And my drill was pretty weak, so I had to finish the screws by hand anyway, which was super easy going into the cedar wood. The last note I might make, maybe build this where you're going to place it. It's much bigger than I anticipated, so I'm gonna get this out of the basement and into the yard where we're gonna go ahead and set it up and plant some vegetables. Now, another cool feature about the design that I wanted to point out was that if you are dealing with uneven ground, that's okay. Because of that tongue and groove design, it can raise or lower depending on the terrain that you're working with. That way it stays level on the ground. All right, great. So we've got our soil in. I definitely underestimated the amount that I was gonna need. I started off with just 3 bags. That was not enough. I had to go back and get some more. I got about 12 cubic feet of soil in here, which is good enough to get started. But if you're doing this at home, you're probably gonna wanna get about 16 to 18 cubic feet of soil to make sure this thing is packed out. So next, we've got some great vegetable plants down here that I got from my local Walmart garden center. And we're gonna go ahead and get these in here and get this raised garden bed completed. That is the Better Homes and Garden 3-tiered raised garden bed. I am giving this product 2 thumbs up. This is great for anybody who's looking to garden and maybe you just don't have the right space. This is gonna be a fantastic item. Easy to put together. I really love this product. Once again, you can find this on Walmart.com or at your local store's garden center. Let us know down in the comments below what you plan on putting in your raised garden bed this spring. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.